When an airport is your classroom, the sky's the limit. Aviation maintenance technology gives students hands-on experience working on real airplanes at a real airport. I am here because I love airplanes. It's been a childhood dream of mine to work on airplanes ever since I was a kid. This was a great opportunity to come here.
It's just altogether really awesome to be able to actually put your hands on aircraft and doing all sorts of hands-on stuff here.
Instead of a traditional school setting, students come to Gerald R. Ford International Airport, where a 20,000 square foot hangar is the classroom. We disassemble, inspect, reassemble, and check airframes, engines, and components on actual aircraft right here in the hangar.
We've worked on some metal structures. Right now we are inspecting the aircraft for any corrosion, any dents, anything that could prevent the aircraft from flying or that could destruct it.
In general, we've also done metal work. We do riveting, safety wire, and also know how to take care of engines. And those are basically the main parts of this program.
We use blueprints and perform basic to intermediate sheet metal fabrication and assembly works. Pilots, mechanics, and aerospace engineers come to our program to speak so we can learn directly from them.
Right now, my classmates and I are working on certifications in foreign object elimination and aerospace aircraft assembly. These are national certifications, and they really give us a jump start for our careers. There's a big gap for us to fill in, so these jobs are in big numbers needed.
It's very realistic of what you would do in the industry. You're actually doing it. You're actually using the tools that they would in the actual job.
After this class, I know airplanes are my thing. I just love this.